Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer money from PayPal to Neteller. First things first, you want to visit paypal.com and log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Then, you want to verify your PayPal account if needed. Make sure also that your PayPal account is linked to a valid bank account or credit or debit card for you to proceed. Here in PayPal account settings, just navigate to the wallet section, then look for the option to link a bank account or card and select link a bank or link a debit or credit card. Also, you want to provide Neteller details for you to be able to link your account. Then just confirm the link Neteller account after that. And you want to allow PayPal to require additional verification steps, such as authorizing a small transaction or entering a verification code. After that, just check Neteller account or email for instructions and complete the verification process. Once Neteller is successfully linked and verified, go back to your PayPal account. In the wallet section, just look for the option to transfer funds or make a payment. Select then your link Neteller account as the payment method and enter the desired transfer amount, then just follow the prompts to complete the transfer. After completing the transfer, check your Neteller account to ensure that the funds have been successfully received. Lastly, take note that it may take some time for the transfer to be processed and reflected in your Neteller balance, so just wait patiently for you to receive it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.